Hey, what up, decisive marketer? So today's video is about a use case, and I'm going to be showing you how you as a digital marketing agency is able to generate niche clients or local clients, right, for your your digital marketing agency business. So if rather than you outreaching cold to leads, you can actually make use of this technique and have these potential leads come to you instead. And that is better because you don't come across as a salesperson peddling services to them, and when it comes to the negotiation for the deal itself, you have the upper hand, right? Because you come across as someone who is genuinely wanting to help them rather than trying to sell them on something, right? So because rather than trying to convince them, right? So and one more great thing about doing this is that you would already have clients that leads that come to you because they are already looking to market online. So this is actually a very good way for you to generate leads for your business, right? So the tools that we're going to be using is number one, TexAu, and number two would be WordPress with the Directorist plugin. Okay, but before I dive in, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in the directories, one of my directory demo site right here. So these are all the listings of different saloons, right, which is listed right here. Of course, these are demo content, but I'm going to show you the entire process right here. Firstly, we're going to be using TexAu right here, okay, and you want to jump into recipes, okay, and I have the recipe already done right here. So the first one would be Google Maps extractor, and what you need to do is just head over to Google Maps, put in the keyword salon, and copy this URL and paste it in here into the Google Maps search link. And I'm just going to be scraping one page, and I'm going to map all those results into Google Sheets, which I've already done so right here, right? So this is the first page of Google Maps, and these are the results. Okay, so what happens is then you want to head over to directories and upload the directory, upload the listings, right, using the CSV file right here. Upload the listings into directories, and you would have all the different salons on your website. And then you reach out to these salons. You can call them, you can grab their email address, and tell them, say, hey, you is this your listing, right? Is this your salon listings, right? If you are the owner, could you claim this listing? And once they claim that, right, because just building a directory website, you have nothing in there, it's not going to help you with a lot of it's not going to help you to get much such traffic that's coming in, right? So and no one's going to check out your website. So you want to put some content in there. You can upload some listings, reach out to these salons and ask them, hey, do you want to claim your listing on our website right here, right? So that if there are leads, we can send them to you. And when they claim those listings, you can then reach out to them. Hey, do you need digital marketing services? We could help you to promote your website and help you to get more clients or customers for your business. Okay, so that's the first thing that you want to be doing, get some listings up in there, right? And having more listings is just going to help you in the Google search results. And as well, if you let's say if you and one of the good ways, right, why you want to have a niche based directory website is because niche websites usually rank much higher in the Google search results. So for example, if I were to search for salon directory Singapore, something like this, and you will see that most of the directory websites right here are actually general uh, websites, right? They're actually just general directory websites. So you can actually create a niche-based directory website, and then you'll be getting traffic coming in, and then when people sign up to list their website with you, you can reach out to them and say, hey, why are you looking to market your business online? If you are, we can assist you, right? So this is where the benefit and the power of directory websites is. And this is one example would be making use of salons to create to generate salon leads. But of course you can use it for many other things as well, such as restaurants and maybe a hardware store, something like that, right? So that's all in this video. It's a very simple one, but just putting out a lot of these websites, different directory websites. You don't have to do much SEO, just a little bit of SEO, maybe add some backlinks, and you should see yourself ranking high up in the search results. And when people start listing with you, you're going to be getting more backlinks, and that's going to help you to rank higher, and more leads coming in to you, so that you can call them up and offer them your digital marketing services, right? And that's all I have in this video. If you enjoyed this, do give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this method, about using directory to generate leads for a digital marketing business, in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.